winter, yes I do.
In winter I go skiing and throw snowballs too. You like summer, don't you?
Summer, yes I do.
In summer I go swimming, I go fishing too.
Summer heat to the winter snow.
All of the seasons come and go.
I love autumn, winter, spring.
Here comes summer, let's all sing.
I love all the seasons for lots of different reasons. Winter, autumn, summer, spring, different seasons for different things.
When it's hot, when it rains, when it's cold.
You know I love it when it's hot and cold.
It's hot, when it rains, when it's snows.
I love every season. Let's go.
You like autumn, don't you?
Autumn, yes I do.
I pick apples from the trees and watch the leaves fall too. You like spring, don't you?
Spring, yes I do.
There are flowers everywhere, the days are longer too.
Summer heat to the winter snow.
All of the seasons come and go.
I love autumn, winter, spring.
Here comes summer, let's all sing.
I love all the seasons.
Yeah, I love all the
For
seasons.
lots of different reasons.
Yeah, different
Winter,
reasons.
autumn, summer, spring, different seasons for different things.
When it's hot, when it rains, when it's cold.
You know I love it when it's hot and cold. Yeah,
When it rains, when it snows.
I love every season. You know.
I don't mind a wet and windy day. Even when it snows, I feel okay. When it's cloudy and the sky is gray, I say, come on, let's go out and play.
I love all the seasons.
I love all the
For
seasons.
lots of different reasons. Winter, autumn, summer, spring, different seasons for different things.
When it's hot, when it rains, when it's cold.
You know I love it when it's hot and cold.
When it rains, when it snows.
I love every season. Let's go.
For more in-depth lessons, go to our website at planetpop.com. See you later!